Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete a table in your Microsoft Excel web on your PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So I'm just going to show how to delete the table in your Microsoft Excel web. I'm just going to show. So first step 4 is just inserting some of the table here. So you can find how to delete this. Okay, let's create a table here and a table here and also a table here too. Okay, so I just created total of 3 tables, but I just need only 2 tables here visibly. So I just want to delete this first table. So if you are just going to delete this, just select it, and if you're just right clicking here, you will see option called delete, and you can't find any delete option here. Or just right clicking here and you can see option called delete table. If you just click this and you can just delete it. Otherwise you just select this first table and share some. I just showed something like this. Okay, so this is one example. Okay, just right clicking here and you will see option called delete, and it's going to click on delete column. So you can see the text below the table will be also deleted. You just want to keep this in mind. If you want to delete this without doing that, just first of all cut this and paste on the empty space on your screen first. Okay, then just select the cell like this and right click here, click on delete option and delete the column, which will delete the entire table. Or you can just use select it, and you can just, if you're using delete the row, which will delete the entire row, so it can't allow it. So use this option to delete the table. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Unique. Have a wonderful day.